Is there anything as good as a cup of coffee? The smell, the taste, the conversation, richness being poured into a cup, the fellowship of, let's just talk it over a cup of coffee. The origin of American coffee houses began from the immigrant communities, having a place in social movements, political revolutions, and cultural enlightenment. Modern boutique shops are whimsical and inviting, while maintaining its place as a center of community fellowship.
I think coffee houses are more like someone's family or living room where it provides a comfortable space.
A lot of really interesting people come together in these places, and they all seem to be really passionate about drinking coffee and talking to each other. And
Cafe Stella, we have wanted to envision this place to be a place for the community. In fact, today one of our great customers said that this is like the living room. This is everybody's living room. That's our idea. Cafe Stella, a coffee house, is the newest addition to the Ghent community, where you can come and enjoy a good book or a gourmet latte.